Using this image, let's see if we can generate a seamless heel rotation animation in SwiftUI using Grok tree. The heel rotation modifier in SwiftUI works in a similar way like the heel rotation in CSS. So using heel rotation, we can rotate the color values in an image like this. So let's go to my X account and click Grok. Over here, you have noticed we have Grok tree beta. To try generating the heel rotation animation, we will use the thinking feature so that we can attach a file. So let's attach the image. I will go to my desktop and select the image. Next, we need to add a prompt. So let's copy this prompt. So using Face Animator view in SwiftUI, we want to create a seamless repeating SwiftUI heel rotation animation for the attached image. Then we want to put the generated code in Grok heel rotation.swift. Also, I have added these references to the Apple documentation. So let's send the prompt. Since we are using the thinking model of Grok tree, this will take a while, so we need to wait for a moment. So it is still going through a long chain of thought before it will compute the final answer. You have seen over here, I have waited for more than 1 minute. So after the chain of thought, you have seen here, we now have the actual solution. And with this code, I will copy it and go to Xcode. In Xcode, we will create a new file with the same name as this tract. So let's launch Xcode. In this folder, I will add a new file by control-clicking the folder and selecting the option New File from Template. We leave the option as SwiftUI View and Next. Then we call this Grok Heel Rotation. Let's look at the name again. It is Grok Heel Rotate. So let's modify the name and create. So I'll select everything here and leave the preview and paste the one I have in the clipboard and resume the preview. The iPhone device preview is blank because we don't have this image in the assets library. So let's go to the assets catalog and add the image. I will drag this image and add it here. So let's change the image name. Let's remove the string and put a period here. You have noticed here we have the image, so let's click that and add it. As you have seen in the image, the heel rotation animation is working fine. Let's change the color scheme to dark and go through the animation. Grok tree did a great job using Face Animator to create the heel rotation animation. To use Face Animator in SwiftUI, you need to define some steps for the animation to go through. So the faces variable in the parentheses is the animation steps. Over here you have seen we have definition of the steps, and these values are the angles of rotation. So we take the color values of the cloud and rotate them to one complete revolution, that is 360 degrees by 90 degrees. Then we pass the animation steps to Face Animator. Next, we also define this animation variable and use the heel rotation modifier to animate the animation variable. The trailing animation closure is just there to customize the animation. For example, we have linear easing, so we can customize this and choose, for example, ease in out. That will just change the look and feel of the animation. If you like, you can also change the duration to, for example, 0.5. You have now seen the color values are changing faster. So that is all we have in this video. I showed you how to use Grok tree to generate heel rotation animation for SwiftUI. Using Grok tree, we will be creating more SwiftUI animations in future videos.